Are you looking to keep track of the pins you've recently viewed on Pinterest? In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily find your recently viewed pins. I will walk you through step by step how to view them, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Pinterest app and then make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap where it says Home Feed Turner. And then tap where it says History. And now you'll be able to see all of your recently viewed pins on Pinterest. You can simply scroll down and see everything. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.